Welcome to Sadbhavna News and I am Poonam Sharma. The government will introduce the much awaited the Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021 in Parliament during the ongoing winter session. The bill may be introduced in the coming days. It is not on the revised list of business of the Lok Sabha for November 30, 2021. Meanwhile, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Tuesday, November 30th, said in Rajya Sabha that a new crypto bill will be introduced in the House after approval from the Cabinet. The crypto industry is awaited a positive regulation that may permit investing and trading in crypto with certain restrictions. The buzz around the crypto bill till now has been both positive and negative. The crypto bill is one of the many items on the list of bills to be introduced in Parliament during the winter session. Last week, confusion and panic gripped the crypto market in India as the wordings of the description of cryptocurrency bill on the list was the same as last year. It repeated the government's intention to ban private cryptocurrency. However, opinions are divided till now as to what the government means by using the term private cryptocurrency. For full clarity, we will have to wait till Cryptocurrency Bill 2021 comes into the public domain. According to Idul Patel, CEO and co-founder of crypto investment platform Mudrex, currently there are more than 11,000 cryptocurrencies that are traded across exchanges. There is a lack of clarity in terms of what the government means by private cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether and other cryptos are available across centralized and decentralized exchanges. However, all of these cryptos are created by developers or companies and not by governments. The term private cryptocurrencies is interesting because there was news about governments coming up with their own cryptocurrency. These cryptocurrencies are known as CBDCs or central bank digital currencies. There could be a possibility that these CBDCs are public cryptocurrencies and all others be classified under private cryptocurrencies. However, it will be interesting to see what comes under the ambit of private cryptocurrencies, Patel told media.
Through the SEBI, through the RBI and through once I think Government of India, there have been statements issued and also fairly awareness building attempt has been made to say that this is a risky area and people who are going in there be conscious as to what you're doing, and also said that this is an area yet not in complete regulatory framework. So I'm sure the House remembers that when nearly 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, when Reserve Bank of India attempted to regulate this, it was through the Supreme Court. The matter was highlighted that in the absence of a clear-cut policy, regulation by RBI also may not be proper.
For arthroscopy and sports injuries.